Hi guys and welcome to Gadget Reviews and to this review of Minions. So first of all, the reason that I'm recording this way is that I have just recorded a green screen review of the Minions. I was recording with my regular mic that I'm recording always because the previous mics that I bought turned out to be a total trash, and I was completely disappointed because the last video that I recorded I had just had to use the camera sound because the sound from the mics was 10 times worse actually. And now I had this great app for recordings, and it turns out that only recorded 3 minutes of what I was saying. So imagine my surprise and total disappointment when I just find out that I don't have a review. I just have a 3-minute recordings, and the rest of it is just the original file with the audio from the camera, and I just don't want to bring you guys any more of those kinds of videos with this echoey sound from the room and everything. I mean, it's clear, but it's too echoey, and I just didn't want to go back to that. I recently made several videos because of the error that after I recorded everything, it turns out that it was with such a bad quality sound. I sounded like I'm in a well, like 20 meters under the ground. It was that bad. And before that I did some testings, but it didn't sound that way, so I'm just so disappointed and tired, and it's so late. But I'm going to go on a little trip these days. I'm going to be back next week. So guys, that's why I'm so in a hurry to bring you as much videos as possible, because I'm going to be taking a little break for 2 or 3 days, maybe 4 tops. I'm going to try to be back on Monday or on Tuesday. And I also have the Batman Arkham Knight game on PC. This was a present for me, so I'm very happy about that. The game still runs playable for now, so we'll see. So guys, that was kind of an update, so you can have an idea what is going on with me. And now let's go on with the review. So Minions, first of all I have to say that I didn't like the previous Despicable Me movies that much. I mean, I never was a Despicable Me fan. I never found Gru that interesting. I never found the story that interesting. Yes, the first movie and the story was compelling to see how he became from a villain to a real person through the kids that he adopted, and the Minions were just a great addition to everything. But the only reason actually that I even watched those Despicable Me movies was because of the Minions. Literally, the thing that brought me to the Despicable Me franchise, the one thing that made me interested in those movies, it made me want to watch them. So now that they have a movie of their own, I was more than happy to watch it, and just I was so thrilled I couldn't wait. So I went and saw it, and what do I think about it? Well, first of all, this movie is very light, it's funny, it's pretty cool. There are several laugh out loud moments. The story wasn't that so huge, amazing thing that maybe you think that you will see. I don't know. The story is just a great origin story of the Minions and what drives them. What makes them happy, what makes them sad, and how funny they can be, and just how they react to the world around them and to the villains. Overall, this movie is funny, it's just fun overall to watch it. You'll have fun if you like the Minions in general. I even can't get enough of them. I mean, I love everything that they do, so... And there's a very interesting thing that is on the end of the movie that I will not spoil. It also adds to the whole cool thing and cool story of the Minions. The character of Scarlet Overkill that is played by Sandra Bullock, she wasn't so interesting. I mean, she was great to the movie. She wasn't that interesting or anything else, but she serves her purpose. So I really don't care about her in general. I just care about the minions. Her husband was even weirder and crazier than her in a way, but she was kind of a plot device. She added to everything. But the minions are the most important thing here, so they are awesome, so that is all that matters. So overall guys, this is great and funny movie. It's not super hilarious. There are several hilarious moments, but overall the movie is not hilarious that much. But it is nice and it is very fun to enjoy. So the Minions is an animated movie. I will give an 8.0 out of 10. So guys, let me know what you think in the comments. Have you seen Minions? What do you think about the Despicable Me franchise? Do you like the previous two movies, or do you prefer to only watch the Minions like I am? Just let me know what you think about this in the comments, and till next time with Gary G Reviews. Best games for the best prizes on g2a.com and cdkeys.com. If you'd like to subscribe, you can click the button to the right, and you can also check out my gaming channel, Gary G Gaming.